Pool tiles aren't just for pools. Built for harsh pool conditions, they're durable, water-resistant, and fade-proof. This resilience and variety of styles make them ideal for diverse home designs beyond pools, offering a lasting, luxurious touch. In this video, we'll explore different applications for pool tiles across your entire home. Let's dive in. Pool tiles, known for their strength in pools, are surprisingly versatile for outdoor design. Their diverse colors, textures, and exceptional durability make them perfect for crafting beautiful and practical outdoor elements. Consider how these adaptable tiles can elevate your backyard into a lasting and impressive living space. Rustic charm meets modern convenience with the Puebla Grage Pebble tile. Transform your outdoor kitchen backsplash with this easy-to-install, low-maintenance, and effortlessly elegant natural stone. Be it a lively summer barbecue or a tranquil evening meal under the stars, the Puebla Grage elevates your outdoor kitchen with refined and enduring elegance. Upgrade your outdoor fireplace with a striking rocky gold 6x24 porcelain ledger tile. Its red rock-inspired design brings a naturally sophisticated and timeless feel. Engineered to withstand heat, it's ideal for fireplaces, and its textured surface adds a captivating tactile dimension to your outdoor space. Beyond the patio, pool tiles bring a unique blend of luxury and character to your interior design. Discover how these adaptable tiles can turn your indoor spaces into stunning personal sanctuaries. Dreaming of a statement wall in your home? Transform any ordinary space into a captivating focal point with the Sinfonia Piano Arena porcelain tile. These mesmerizing tiles, featuring a sophisticated fluted design, effortlessly add a touch of elegance to any room. Imagine the impact in your living room, dining area, or even your home office. A truly unique and unforgettable visual experience awaits. Inject your kitchen with vibrant personality using the Agadia Avoir 5.8-inch by 5.8-inch porcelain tile as a backsplash. These Zellage tiles, with their distinctive rustic charm, create a truly inspiring and unique space. Their easy-to-clean surface makes them perfect for busy kitchens, while the lively color brings joy and creativity to your design. Don't just think walls. Pool tiles make stunning floors too. The heirloom 6x6 porcelain tile, known for its waterline beauty, transforms entryways, mudrooms, and kitchens. Its antique pattern creates a classic, inviting retreat underfoot. Don't settle for ordinary tiles that falter under pressure. Pool tiles offer a superior solution, combining stunning aesthetics with unmatched durability. Their water resistance and fade resistance set them apart from regular tiles, which are prone to cracking, fading, and staining. This makes pool tiles a low-maintenance, long-lasting investment, ensuring your home stays beautiful through the years. The installation of pool tiles is similar to other tiles. Here are some tips to help make sure your project goes off without a hitch. 1. Start with a clean, dry surface for optimal adhesion. 2. Choose a quality adhesive like the Lito-Elastic Evo for a strong, lasting bond. 3. Prevent mold and mildew with a high-quality epoxy grout. Lastly, for the best results, consult a professional tile installer. Pool tiles offer a unique design solution for blending indoor and outdoor living. From vibrant backsplashes to stunning accent walls, porcelain, stone, and glass pool tiles bring beauty and resilience to any home. Their durability and practicality create extraordinary retreats you'll enjoy year-round. Contact us today for help with your next project.